Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And I've already solved 3 puzzles. The 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary in the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, October the 20th, 2023. And yeah, let me start with the Jigsaw Sudoku number 7307. Before I start, I always count with printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? Don't think so, but let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? I see here one dual box, second dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, do not know in which order. Here also 1 and a 2, what? We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. More dual boxes? Nope. Then the next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those, 2 and the 3. I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, more triple boxes? No. Next question, do we have a quadra box? I see here 1 quadra box. Can I fill those numbers? Insufficient information right now. Alright, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here, okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, it cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 here or there. So it should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Alright, more T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Yeah, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes here, another one, so this box has the same number as that box. And here another one, so this box has the same number as that box. And here another one, so this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, should be a 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, give me 4, give me 5, yes, definitely 3. Well, these two boxes can be 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. And that box is connected with this box, should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area, L-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. And then, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And then, these two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes in this quadro box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 1 and a 4. And is also connected with that box should be also 1 and a 4. I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Okay, and now this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, and now, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, these two boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Then these two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so the 4 and the 5 are left, is connected with that box, should be so 4 and the 5, is also connected with that box, should be so 4 and the 5. That means that these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here, and I need a 1 here in this L shape. This box can be a 1, so only one place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. So the 4 and the 5 are left here. Okay. Then 1, 2, 1, 3. Need to think. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Come on. 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Okay, think 1. Come on. Come on. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We need a 4 and a 5 here, okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a 4. Well, 2 or 3. Come on. 1, 4. So I need a 3 here, because this is occupied with the numbers 1 and a 4. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. Okay. So I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yeah, definitely 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means that those two boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Okay, and now. I think. Well. Come on. No 2 here. I'm stuck here. 2 and the 4. We already have a 4 here. So this can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. Okay. Then. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. But I cannot place the 4 here, because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 4 and a 5, need to wait. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Okay, 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. This should be the 4 and a 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 2. Nope, need to wait. I think, well, this box can be a 5. Oh, well, we already have a 5 here. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, need to wait. 4 and a 5, need to wait. 4 and a 5, need to wait. 1, 2, need a 3 here. Oh, here should be also 4 and a 5 here. Okay. So 4 and a 5. I think this box should be a 3, because give me 1, give me 2, should be a 3, can be 4 and a 5. We have a 4 and a 5 here as a pair. Yeah, definitely 3. So these two should be 4 and a 5. In this W area shape, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. And now we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box should be a so 5. Is connected with that box should be a so 5. One box left in this L-shaped area for number 4. And it's solved in 50 minutes. Wow. 4 stars. Don't think so. 3 stars. No. Let me give this 2 stars. Or 1 star. Let me give this 2 stars. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yes, it's a weekend.